Hi, this is Martin, and I want to show you this brand new community just released out by DR Horton Homes. Here you see the kitchen area and the island. It's really nice. Everything you see is included in this house. DR Horton sells their homes, brand new homes, with the flooring you see, the appliances you see, basically everything you see except, of course, the decorations. So these are homes in southwest Las Vegas near Blue Diamond Highway and Fort Apache. It's a real booming area. This is Canyon Trails, and the price is amazing. The price is less than $400,000. It's about $375,000. And so here you see the loft area on the second floor. These are two-car garage, three-bedroom, two and a half bath. Washer and dryer you see there is included. Even the shelving, everything you see, the way they sell it is included, which is great. It's like move-in ready. And this is the main primary bedroom, master bedroom, if you want to call it that. That's the new community they're building. This is the bathroom as it is sold. The nice big shower there. And panning back into the hallway. And so this is how you see it. They're building them now. They'll be available in the next month or two. So pretty quick. Here's the washer and dryer area that we just passed. This is the second bedroom. And after this, I'll show you the third bedroom, which they made into sort of a desk area. So work from home, very popular to do that. So that's a third bedroom. So I hope you like this. If you're interested, contact me soon. We can reserve one of them. It's $375,000. It's such a great deal. 5.5% mortgage. Talk to you soon. This is Martin, eXp Realty, 702-708-1888.